you can right click to configure a tag. Let's call this a concept, which is a tag that I have. If I right click and set configure tag, now I can change everything about the super tag. I can change what it's called. I can change the color, and the next area down here is the template section. The main part of the template section is these fields and nodes area. This comes bundled anytime I add a tag to something. So this node here, there was only this line before I added this tag. Once I tagged it as a concept, this context field came with it. You can also add other regular nodes. I will often do that for something like notes. And now I can take whatever notes I want on this concept. In addition to these, you can extend other super tags. You can see that I've extended the info tag here. And so I actually got this context field from my info tag. You can see that because they're both green. This notes node is blue. That only belongs to the concept tag and not the parent info tag. Moving down, you have the show as checkbox option. And all that does is, if you tag something as a concept, if I toggle this on, now this becomes something that I can check as done. You'll see this a lot with tasks and tickets and things like that. You can also build your title from fields, which I won't go into here. I'm also going to save navigation shortcuts for another video, but I will cover briefly this set child super tag. All that means is anything below what you tagged and the stuff that comes with it will automatically be tagged with whatever you set here. For instance, let's say I want to tag every child node as a note. And you don't need to type the pound symbol there. Okay, now if I take notes here, first note, you see it's already popping up. I did not type note at all. Automatically happening. You can AI enhance a tag. I will not go in that now. And then there's advanced actions, which right now is only commands, but I assume there will be more coming. Commands definitely requires its own video. If you have a question about this video, or you'd like to request a future video, drop a comment below. This video is part of a playlist called Tana Bits, so check out the other videos there. And subscribe and hit the notification bell to get updates on any future content.